everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show how I made this see-through top. So I made this top for my recent video wherein I transformed myself into a goth girl. If you haven't watched it yet, do watch it. I will link it somewhere here or in the description box. Okay, so you'll be needing of course mesh fabric, pair of scissors, measuring tape, tailor's chalk, strip of knit fabric, scale and a bodysuit. Lay your fabric on fold and then fold your bodysuit as well. Then start marking the neck point, shoulder, hem, armhole point and start connecting the side seam. And use a French curve to draw the neck and armhole as well. Then draw 2 cm extra for hem and draw a straight line with a scale and leave 1 cm for neck, shoulder, armhole and sides and cut it. Cut one more piece and make the neck less deep. Then place both front and back parts on each other and pin the shoulders and side seams and then stitch it with a straight stitch. Now let's move on to the cutting of the sleeves. Lay the fabric on fold again and lay the sleeves like I am showing here. Then mark the armhole points and hem and then draw the side seam and use a French curve to draw the sleeve cap and leave 1 cm allowance for sleeve cap and side seam and 2 cm for hem. Now repeat and cut one more piece. Then pin the side seams and stitch it using a straight stitch. Now stitch the sides of the knit strip and fold it like so and iron it. Then make a notch in the center of the sleeve. Now turn the top inside out and first pin the sleeve notch to the shoulder seam and sleeve side seam to the top side seam and then pin the rest of the sleeve to the armhole and then stitch it. Now pin the crew neck collar seam 2 inches away from the left shoulder seam and stitch. Then give a top stitch to the neck. Lastly, finish the raw edges of the sleeve and hem by double folding it and stitching it with a straight stitch. And your top will be ready in 10 minutes or less. And that is it for today's video. I hope this was helpful. See you very soon in my next one. Bye.
Maybe